Welcome to another episode of Alpha Beta Game by Array.
पता है.
This entire episode revolves around the letter X.
Expecto Patronum!
Excadrill, let's go.
Execute them all.
Confirmed.
Expect the unexpected.
This is a game to test your knowledge and common sense. Become smarter than your friends in about 30 minutes. Today we have Nipun and here we have Swati. Both of them will start with 100 points each.
Okay.
First of all, they'll face 10 rapid fire questions. Every wrong answer means they lose 10 points. And they'll get this sticker on their face.
Oh no.
That they'll have to keep during the entire episode.
Oh.
Then with their balance points, they will make a bet on 6 categories and try to double them. Whoever has more points in the end wins.
Okay.
So let's start with the rapid fire round. I will give you something that starts with the letter X and you have to tell me what it is.
Oh,
ठीक?
okay.
हाँ.
Okay.
क्योंकि X is a letter जिससे ना बहुत ही weird answers हैं.
Oh.
So I have taken the answers and you have to give me the questions.
Whoa!
Okay.
Finally!
Okay. X most awaited.
Yes, okay.
Let's go.
Shall we?
Yes.
Yes.
Question number 1. What does X in Professor X from Marvel Comics stand for? You both have to write.
Oh.
हाँ. Whoever is wrong will get minus 10. Whoever is right will remain.
And skip नहीं करना है?
नहीं.
Mandatory है?
Yes.
Oh.
I don't know, man.
No clue about this.
Nipun?
I don't know. I've just written mutant.
Okay.
It makes no sense.
I don't have written Iron Man. I don't know
Okay.
Marvel Man.
This is X-Men wala professor. That Taklu professor.
हाँ.
I don't know.
X stands for Xavier. His name is Charles Xavier. Okay.
लगा दे पूरे लगा दे.
हाँ. Why don't you do the honors yourself?
अपना अपना? हाँ.
हाँ.
I knew Charles Xavier, yeah. That Taklu character. I've seen him. कैसे बोल रहे हो Taklu character?
Before question number 2, I have a question for you, Brainies. What is a group of superheroes taught and led by Professor X?
This I know.
Let's see if 1000 people in the audience know this answer.
Oh, keeping a track.
हाँ. Next question. Ready?
Yep.
Here you go. Nipun and I met on Twitter. Elon Musk bought it and changed its name to what? दिखा दो.
X.
X.com.
It is X. Both of you stay at 90 and no more stickers.
Okay. Sure.
Next. Between what years Generation X is born?
Answer will be from X.
नहीं, question is X.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
यही तो ट्रिकी है. मैं ईयर देता ना तो आंसर तो बहुत इजी है because you know the starting letter. हिंट चाहिए क्या?
Range
रेंज 15 years है.
15 years. अच्छा.
हाँ, 15 years का गैप लिखना है आप लोगों को दोनों को. जिसने भी वो 15 years का मैक्सिमम कवर किया will win this point.
Okay.
चलो भाई, हो गया? निपुण दिखाओ.
1975 to 90.
ओके
और मैंने 1980 to 1997.
ओके, ऐसे रखना. लेट्स सी द आंसर. द आंसर इज 1965 से 1980. किसी का भी कवर हो रहा है? स्वेट का तो जस्ट शुरू हुआ है.
Yeah, I
5 years.
5 years.
5 years हैं. तो स्वेट गेट्स minus 10 and a sticker.
Wow, I wrote 60 to 75 पहले.
Please do the honors.
Wow.
हाँ, तो ये है Gen X, जो कि बेसिकली हमें पापा मम्मी
पापा
लोग हैं.
मम्मी.
हाँ.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then Gen Y जो हम लोग हैं. Gen Z जो तो अफलातून लोग हैं. Next one, ठीक है? You are at 90, you are at 80.
Okay.
एक बार सही का नहीं पॉइंट मिल रहा है, बस माइनस होता जा रहा है.
बचा के रखना है आप लोग.
ठीक है. Okay.
Here we go. What does X in X-ray stands for?
I know this. I wrote newsletter on this.
इतना लंबा लिख. Explanation के साथ लिखा तूने?
Yeah.
अच्छा, स्वेट तूने पहले लिख दिया था.
Nothing. I don't know.
अच्छा, नथिंग. पास है मतलब तेरे
हाँ,
से.
नहीं
अच्छा.
है मेरे पास कोई आंसर.
यही आंसर. Nothing. He did not have a name for this
हाँ.
ray. So he just called it X-ray.
X-ray. क्योंकि yeah.
could not identify.
क्या यार, तूने तो पास किया है.
हाँ, पर मेरा नथिंग इसीलिए था कि एक्सरे मीन्स नथिंग, क्योंकि वो हार
Yeah, he did not have a name for that ray.
हाँ.
तभी
He was
बोला
not
कि
expecting
X.
to see it. तो उन्होंने बस उसको ऐसी एक्स-रे बुला दिया.
I'm looking for one
Cross.
word. One word. It stands for unknown. And of course, Nipun, you are right. German physicist Wilhelm Röntgen was testing cathode rays could pass through glass or not. He noticed that mysterious green light
Yes.
that passed through most substances but left shadows of solid object. Since he did not know what these rays were called, he called them X-rays. We don't know. I'm not sure कि क्या rays हैं.
Yes.
तो फिलहाल इनको X-rays लिख देते हैं. X-radiation.
Yeah.
I'm not sure whether should we give it for nothing or not.
क्यों नहीं? यही तो unknown ही तो है. अगर
Okay.
had it been a word which has X and then it was X, then it would have.
ठीक है.
given
Okay,
wrong.
quiz master. Let's keep it as it is.
पूरी स्टोरी बता दी सर को, फिर भी सर को मार्क्स
Yeah.
नहीं देते.
वो कभी कभी ना वो एक वर्ड होता है ना,
I
वर्ड चाहिए
know,
होता
I
है.
get it.
Sometimes you can tell the story of something
हाँ.
without the word.
Yeah.
Nipun, you are still at 90.
Okay.
You are at 80.
Okay.
What is the meaning of XOXO at the end of a message or letter?
Oh no.
Imagine if it really meant this. Bye, take care.
I'm coming behind you like a cow. Okay? Nipun?
Yeah. Hugs and kisses.
Oh, I love you.
It means hugs and kisses. Time for one more sticker square.
Yeah.
क्या हम?
ठीक है. Next question.
Ooh.
What does X in Xmas stands for? मुझे इसमें सही आंसर चाहिए.
Oh,
स्वेट दिखाओ.
Christmas.
Christmas.
X बताना X क्या स्टैंड
Yeah,
करता
yeah,
है.
yeah, अभी.
दिखाया तूने उधर.
हाँ.
Christ को बोलते होंगे ना.
It stands for Chi. Chi is the first alphabet जो कि ग्रीक के अंदर जब क्रिस्टो लिखते हो तो this is how you write क्रिस्टो, and X is how it looks like in Latin alphabets, which is called Chi. So X in Xmas stands for Chi.
Wow.
Chimas.
I will absolutely not nerdy about this.
Okay.
I always thought it was just a lazy way of writing
Hmm.
Christmas, and then Christmas,
same.
Xmas all sounds.
Ready?
Yes.
कहाँ है तेरा? हाँ. What does this number XLII written in Roman numerals? ये Roman numeral में नंबर दिया है. दिखाओ.
क्या मैंने लिखा है 10 50 11.
Okay.
I guess 62.
Oh.
Answer is 42.
42. इधर होगा तो माइनस होगा.
बेसिकली हाँ, L is 50 तो 10 उससे लेफ्ट में आया तो मतलब 50 minus 10 40 and then 2I it's
Oh.
I deserve all of these.
70 Nippon and 50 Sweat. Yes, one more X sticker.
यार, इधर आता है तो माइनस होता है.
हम 42 को ऐसे क्यों नहीं लिखते? X X X X and then 2.
Because हम हिंदी में भी ऐसे ही करते हैं 49.
हाँ, क्यों? Actually there is a rule.
अच्छा.
Any number can be repeated but only a maximum of 3 times.
3. Oh.
हाँ.
Nice.
Okay.
और
तो
4 भी.
32 लिख सकते हैं हम ऐसे फिर.
हाँ, 32 लिखने के लिए X X X और 2.
हाँ.
Nice. तभी 4 से भी
42 लिखने के लिए हाँ 4 भी ऐसा था 1 2 3 फिर 4 करती 1 5 हो जाता है 5 में से 1 माइनस. So Brenis, a question for you. How do we write the number 33 in Roman numerals? Let's see if 1000 people can answer this question also. ठीक है. Alright, ठीक है. Next one. XX and XY are two chromosome pairs that determine an individual's biological sex. Which one is male and which one is female?
बस यार can't be wrong यार.
Yeah, same. I don't know. चलो.
हो गया?
Yes.
निपुण?
XX is male, XY is female.
Same. Male female.
क्या
अरे इसी वे में लिखा है
अच्छा.
XX और
ठीक है, ऐसे रखना, मिटाना मत. The answer is XX is female and XY is male.
Oh no.
Okay, both of them.
हे भगवान. क्या कर क्या रही हूँ मैं यार, मुझे आइस बकेट में डुबा दो.
ये ले निपुण,
Oh no.
प्लीज हेल्प योरसेल्फ.
We'll put it in the ugliest.
यहाँ लगा ले.
How is this?
हाँ.
How
Oh
is it?
यार.
अब फोन रेडी रखो, ठीक है.
Okay.
मुझे चाहिए cities that start with the letter X. But
Okay.
to help you, you can use Google Maps. है ना? But you cannot search anything. You have to zoom in, zoom out, search city. Find 3 cities in Google Maps that start with the letter X. Game stops as soon as someone finds them first. No
Okay.
searching allowed.
Okay.
Okay.
हाँ
Start.
हाँ start. स्क्रीनशॉट ले ले वहीं पे.
Okay.
हाँ जैसे मेरे साथ तू भी बता दे, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसमें.
Oh wow, कहाँ मिल रहा है इसको?
ये सिटी है ना,
हाँ मतलब कस्बा जैसा है.
लिख सकते हैं ना मतलब.
हाँ हाँ.
ओके डन.
Oh wow.
ओ वाओ, स्क्रीनशॉट.
मुझे तो एक भी नहीं मिला.
एक बहुत बढ़िया हैक है. मैं अपने फ़ोन पे रिकॉर्डिंग चालू रख रहा हूँ, मैं वो हैक दिखा दूँ. और मेरा हैक है जो एक्स वाली चीज़ है ना, सारी चाइना में है.
Oh, you went to China. I went to Mexico.
Oh.
चाइना में हर दूसरी चीज़ सिटी
Ah.
एक्स से है.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Somehow I had a feeling कि मेक्सिको स्पेनिश में बहुत सारा
हाँ,
ऐसे
हाँ,
हाँ तो हाँ उसका तरीका मोस्टली ये सॉल्व करने का, गो टू अ प्लेस जहाँ पे नाम टेढ़े मेढ़े हो.
वाह.
वाओ, तूने मेक्सिको में ढूंढ के लाया निपुण.
Yes.
हाँ.
Zalapa, Zilitla, Jalisco.
Jalisco.
Whoa.
Wow. Sweat, you lose
Yeah.
10 points. Nippon at 60, Sweat at 30. Last question of Alpha round.
Oof.
Heavy. Go. और basically, this is the last alpha beta I'm hosting.
Oh.
तो last alpha question ever that I'll host. है ना?
Oh.
चलो. If HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and has fixed tags to use, what does X in XML stands for, which can be extended to include any custom tags? लिख दिया है? ओह मुझे लगा लिखा
नहीं
नहीं.
लिखा.
Sweat
मैंने external लिखा है.
external
मैंने लिखा एग्जाम्पल.
example. Oof. The answer was extensible या extendable because it can be extended to include any custom tags.
आई थॉट तूने कभी बताया था कि बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल, ओह दैट वाज example.com का यूज.
हाँ नहीं.
सॉरी मोनू, तेरे लास्ट अल्फा का क्वेश्चन
कोई बात नहीं.
is giving us crosses.
Yeah.
Please.
Most apt last alpha का आंसर
Oh yeah.
for X.
ये पनिशमेंट बहुत टाइम से हमें खेली नहीं है. Now we have a bonus question.
Oh.
For this, whoever answers this will be awarded 10 points more.
Okay.
सिर्फ बचेंगे नहीं, you will get 10 more points.
Okay.
ठीक है? And it is not a question, it is a small game, a mini game.
Okay.
ठीक है? जब हम x की बात करते हैं, नहीं वो वाली x नहीं. देखो x की बात करते हैं, x के साथ एक और लेटर आता है O, जैसे हमने देखा XOXO में. जैसे कोई गेम याद है हमने बचपन में खेला हो, XO. हम खेलेंगे टिक टैक टो, बट विल प्ले टिक टैक टोएस्ट टिक टैक टो, है ना?
Okay.
हमने देखा है ऐसे 3x3 का ग्रिड होता है, उसमें जो whoever makes diagonal
Yeah.
row column wins. You have, this is the tic tac toeist tic tac toe. Every grid, like every box is itself a grid. So first जो ये जीतेगा, they get to put whatever they want to put, and then there is a bigger grid that you will have to solve.
Okay.
So we have to play a total of 10 tic tac toes.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see, ये हम draw ना करें.
Okay.
ये इसको बड़ा, इसमें बड़ा सा O डाल दे. This is yours now.
Oh.
Oh.
ये.
ओ भाई, मारो मुझे, मारो मुझे, मारो.
Smart move.
Yeah. Ooh. निपुण विंस ना वो हो गया ये.
हो गया
अच्छा।
जितना ही था. अच्छा
हाँ.
एक कोई भी बन जाए.
स्वेट तो बहुत ऐसे यहाँ पे बना सकता था ये.
Oh yeah.
हाँ.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yay.
Nice.
Wow.
X wins.
Nipun, so you get 10 points for this
Yeah.
mini game.
This is my 42 का वो redemption.
हाँ. Let's see what happens in beta. We have 6 categories, है ना? Here are the 6 categories. So in these 6 categories, you have to bet your points, your remaining points. You have to try to double them. Whoever has more points in the end wins. The 6 categories are X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6. Of course, there are so limited words with X. I cannot waste them on the categories. But and also these sounds like iPhone के model number, नहीं?
Yeah.
हाँ. But
हाँ.
this is my last beta. I have a special category. One special category.
Okay.
You know, this category is called, very creatively named, X.
Ah.
What is this X category? Anybody can pick this category at any time during the game. If they play this category and answer the correct question, they get to X the opponent's score in half.
Oh.
Oh.
But if they play this question and if they answer incorrectly, their scores get half.
हाँ. Okay. Okay.
है ना? And they do not lose their chance. मतलब if you play X, you still get to play your regular category.
Creative.
Nice.
To make things fun, we have 2 X's.
Wow, मोमो क्या कर रहा है तू?
It's like if you will do it, I'll do it.
हाँ, इसीलिए 2 है वो.
चलेगा. Okay. Okay.
और कोई नहीं करेगा तो अंत में दोनों को एक रैंडमली लेके करना ही
करना
पड़ेगा.
ही पड़ेगा. Okay.
So the thing is, Nipun,
हाँ.
you are at 60 points. You'll have to start first.
Yeah.
So which category do you want to
I'll
pick?
go for X2.
Which one? X or X?
X. Not X, not right now. That is at 20 right
X2.
now, not right now.
For how many points?
X2 for 30 points.
30. Here's your question. Fortune 500 company that sells print and digital document products and services in more than 160 countries invented elements of personal computing such as graphical user interface, the mouse, and desktop computing. These were later copied by Apple and Microsoft and popularized. What company I am talking about? The answer starts with the letter X.
This is Xerox.
It is Xerox.
Yay! I like the last pun, huh?
हाँ. इस Xerox ने पता नहीं क्या क्या नहीं इन्वेंट किया है. Ethernet, लेजर प्रिंटर,
Wow.
ऑल वो जो हम यूज करते हैं. बट हम इसके नाम से नहीं जानते हैं. स्टिल वेरी Fortune 500 कंपनी.
बेचारे ने इतना काम करा और हम उसको फोटोकॉपी का सिनोनिम मानते हैं.
हाँ.
Xerox कर दे.
Xerox कर
बिकॉज दिस कंपनी मेड द फर्स्ट फोटोकॉपियर मशीन.
Nice.
तो अभी हर फोटोकॉपी मशीन को हम Xerox मशीन समझते हैं कि Xerox मशीन.
अरे वो ब्रांड का अच्छा भी होता है ना, जैसे
हाँ.
कोई टूथपेस्ट ना बोल के बोले
Colgate,
Colgate दे दो.
Colgate.
And the name is also nice, ना? It sounds cooler.
हाँ.
Xerox कर दे.
Yeah.
Photocopy.
Yeah.
पाटा का पैकेट या पाटा का. All right, Nipun, you are at 90 points.
Yay!
So it's your turn.
Yes. Let's go with X5.
X5.
Yeah.
Swat. How many
कितने
points?
Oh, sorry. 10 points.
10 points for X5.
Hmm.
Still you don't want to use the X?
नहीं, अभी नहीं.
ठीक है. Here you go. A Chinese designer and manufacturer of consumer electronics. It is the youngest company on the Fortune Global 500. It is the second largest manufacturer of smartphones in the world behind Samsung.
Xiaomi, जो भी उसका pronunciation होता है.
Yes. It is Xiaomi.
Xiaomi.
Yes. Yes.
Yay!
Swag. 30 points to you.
Woo!
X2 and X5 are gone now.
Okay.
है ना? Nipun, this is your turn.
Yes. X6.
X6. How many points?
40 points.
Here we go. A musical instrument in the percussion family. It consists of wooden bars struck by mallets. The first part of the name comes from Greek zulon, meaning wood.
Is this the only X word that I know? Is this xylophone?
It is xylophone.
जब से जब से अल्फा बीटा शुरू हुआ मैं तब से ही सोच रही हूँ एक्स से तो बचपन से सिर्फ xylophone के अलावा देयर इज नथिंग एल्स दैट वी स्टडीड. ओह माय गॉड. और अगर ये नहीं आंसर दिया होता ना.
Swat, you have 30 points and you have 3 categories left and 2 weapon categories left. What do you want to do?
अभी के लिए X1 for 20 points.
X1 question is here. An Indian version of the UK-based musical talent TV show. The show was discontinued after the first season, judged by Sonu Nigam, Shreya Ghoshal and Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
X Factor.
I'll give it to you. It's X Factor India.
X Factor.
But yes, it's X Factor.
Nice. Oh, I remember this.
Nipun, you have 2 normal categories and 2 weapon categories left. What do you want to do?
I think viewers are also waiting for X. देखो नॉर्मल कैटेगरी तो एक ही ले सकते हो ना अभी.
हाँ.
है ना. उसके बाद लेने में क्या मजा.
हाँ वैसे भी X अगर जो भी खेल रहा है X के बाद भी वो नॉर्मल कैटेगरीज तो ले ही सकता है अपने.
I will take X2.
X2.
Yes.
Okay. If you answer correctly, she loses half points.
Yes.
But if you answer incorrectly, you lose your half
Yes,
points.
ready. X.
ठीक है?
Sorry, Swat. X. It's the X effect.
Here you go. A popular webcomic by Randall Munro, known for stick figure drawings and witty commentary. Its tagline is a webcomic of romance, sarcasm, math, and language. According to Munro, the comic's name has no significance and is simply a 4-letter word without a phonetic pronunciation.
Okay. नहीं यार, I have no idea. I'll pass.
You'll pass?
Yeah, just a loot.
Okay.
अच्छा बोल दिया मैंने. बोल चल.
Nipun, this
कट
means
गई.
you come down to 65 points.
Can I just say one thing?
हाँ.
देखो ऊपर देख. X तेरे ऊपर गिर रहा है.
मेरे ऊपर आंसर तो नहीं है.
Okay. वैसे फन के लिए तेरे को पता है आंसर?
नहीं पता.
The answer is X के CD.
Oh नहीं.
है ना? नाम ही उसने ऐसा बोला कि मुझे ऐसा नाम चूज करना है जिसका कुछ ना पता हो. कुछ कॉमिक्स देखते हैं इनकी कैसी हैं सार्कास्टिक. ठीक है. Let's read 1 or 2 comic books. How standards proliferate. हाँ, thank you. जैसा होता है ना कि कितने USB A, USB C चार्जर, कितने सारे चार्जर हैं, एक क्यों नहीं बना देते. तो situation, there are 14 competing standards. लोग बोलते हैं 14 ridiculous. We need to develop one universal standard that covers everyone use cases. Situation, now there are 15 standards. One more. I sometimes misspell and mispronunciation, but the epitome of mispronunciation is probably the way I pronounce epitome.
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 Wow, good one.
To prove you're a human, click on all the photos that show places you would run for shelter during the robot uprising. When AI takes over. So this is the capture would look like. So अभी वो सारी चीजें प्लान कर रहे हैं कि कहाँ छुपे होंगे human beings.
Nice.
Why do you love me? I don't know. My heart never gave me a choice. Aww, I wish it had.
Aww.
And finally, a slap on our faces. When boy and boy doing math, wow, you suck at math. And boy and girl doing math, wow, girls suck at math.
Yes.
Alright, Nipun, you come down to 65.
Oh.
And now it's your time to choose your normal category.
मेरी ही चांस है अभी.
हाँ, वो तो रहेगी. Normal category चांस तो रहेगी.
अच्छा. Okay, then I'll go for X. I'll go for X4.
X4.
Yeah.
How many points?
55 points.
55 points. Okay. On X4.
X4.
ठीक है.
Oh God.
Here we go. A gaming brand by Microsoft which began its journey under the codename DirectX blank. Introduced in the US in November 2001 with the launch of the console. Its various versions are X, X360, X1, X Series X.
Xbox.
It is Xbox.
Woo.
Wow. 120? हाँ. Wow, Nipun यार 120.
Yay.
हाँ ना, लोग इसे मजाक उड़ाते हैं. पहले Xbox आया, फिर Xbox 360 आया, फिर Xbox One आया तीसरे नंबर पे.
ओ नाम ऐसा था. वही सोची कि क्या
और फिर
नाम
Xbox Series X आया. Sweat.
Yeah.
You have 50 points.
Yes.
You have one normal category and one special category.
Yep.
Whenever you play your category, you can take X अभी या बाद में.
बट लेना है.
बट तेरे को ही लेना पड़ेगा वो दूसरा X.
ठीक है. हाँ तो अभी X3.
X3.
हाँ 40 points.
40 points. Heavy. Go. An American action film series directed by Rob Cohen. The film revolves around a 3-letter program run by a National Security Agency. The latest installment in 2017 stars Vin Diesel in the title role along with Deepika Padukone.
नहीं पता है मुझे नहीं
No?
आता. No.
Pass?
Pass. Can't think of
Fun
it.
के लिए?
Don't know, only think of X-Man again, but X-FBI.
Very uncreative name. The category is a big hint. ऐसे किसी को लेना हो तो.
X3?
हाँ.
Uh,
X X X.
Oh wow. Like सामने ही था.
oh.
It's XXX and pronounced as triple
Triple
X.
X.
Hmm.
मे बी ट्रिपल एक्स ध्यान में ना तो इसलिए T
मुझे तो
से
नहीं
होता
याद
है,
आता.
हाँ.
मुझे प्रियंका की याद आती थी बेवॉच बार
हाँ.
बार, नॉट दिस.
मुझे पता भी नहीं था दीपिका जी हमारी गई हुई हैं.
हाँ जी गई हुई है.
हाँ. Sweat. It's on
आजा.
you. You have to play
ले आ.
चल हाँ
X1.
करते ही हैं.
है ना?
X1.
तू दे सकता है उसको खिलाड़ी.
नहीं मैं खुद लेके
नहीं मतलब मार सकता है उस पे.
हाँ
हाँ.
ठीक
इसी
है.
जज्बे से खेलूंगी.
ठीक है. A global non-profit organization designs and hosts competitions intended to encourage technological development. Founded in 1994, its major challenge offered a $10 million reward for creating a reusable crewed spacecraft. Their challenges have since spanned fields like healthcare, education and environmental conservation. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो चैलेंज करवा कंपटीशन करवाती है, पुट्स अ बिग प्राइज कि कोई ना कोई इन्वेंशन करो इस वाले फील्ड के अंदर. इफ यू डू द इन्वेंशन यू गेट द प्राइज एंड एक्चुअली द फील्ड गेट्स ओवरऑल अपसाइड कि भाई इन्वेंशन हो गए, नाउ वी कैन डू एवरीथिंग. 1994 का ये जो कंपटीशन है, दिस लेड टू स्पेस एक्स वगैरह एवरीथिंग कि हम रीयूजेबल क्रूड स्पेसक्राफ्ट बना पा रहे हैं.
I don't know. X Tech. ऐसा कुछ.
No. You lose half your points, but the answer is very uncreative. X Prize.
यार क्रिएटिव है ये.
अब मैं कुछ वो बताता हूँ. Some prizes that they have done. एक तो हमें पता है ये. First one was Ansari X Prize for suborbital space flight. 2004 में $10 million का प्राइस था. Goal was build and fly a reusable manned spacecraft capable of reaching 100 kilometers above Earth twice within 2 weeks. रीयूजेबल होना, ऐसे नहीं कि मैं कर रहा हूँ महीने भर. तो विनर वर दिस स्केल कंपोजिट स्पेसशिप 1 एंड दे गॉट $10 million. और वो सारी टेक्नोलॉजी वगैरह तो इससे इंस्पायर हुई है. नई कंपनी ब्लू ओरिजिन, स्पेस एक्स वगैरह, ये किक स्टार्टेड सब कुछ किया स्पेस फ्लाइट इंडस्ट्री.
Nice.
Another prize is Google. This is Google sponsored prize. Google Lunar X Prize. $20 million. Land a privately funded robot on the moon. Travel 500 meters and transmit videos back to Earth.
Wow.
Outcome, competition ended. कोई विनर नहीं निकला इसके अंदर. But it spurred significant advancements कि लूनर पे कैसे एक्सप्लोर किया जाए. बहुत सारी इनोवेशन हुई. Unfortunately डेडलाइन आ गई थी 10-11 साल की. So nobody could win the prize.
Oh, इतनी लंबी डेडलाइन है.
हाँ, क्योंकि it needs पूरे फील्ड का नया इनोवेशन. तो बहुत सारे प्राइजेस हैं, कभी जीतते कभी नहीं जीतते हैं. There is an ongoing prize right now. Elon Musk sponsored $100 million का largest X prize to date.
Wow.
गोल क्या है? सिंपल सा, डेवलप स्केलेबल कार्बन रिमूवल टेक्नोलॉजीज टू टैकल क्लाइमेट क्राइसिस.
Wow.
तो जो भी एक बंदा, एंड इट इज ओपन टू ऑल कंट्रीज, एनी इंडिविजुअल, एनी टीम, एनी यूनिवर्सिटी, जो ये सॉल्व कर देगा, प्रूव कर देगा कि भाई देखो माय टेक्नोलॉजी रिमूव्स मोर कार्बन देन एनीथिंग एल्स एग्जिस्टिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, यू गेट $100 million.
Wow.
Wow, that's so nice.
है ना? इट्स लाइक इन्वेंटर्स का नोबेल प्राइज.
Wow. Didn't know about this.
हाँ.
Nice.
So let's announce a prize of our own.
Yay.
है ना?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's announce a small prize, small. Let's announce brain prize of 1 lakh rupees, sponsored by अरे पता है. मैंने पूछा इन दोनों से. We'll figure out a way to arrange this money. But the goal of APH when we started it, it was always APH is not us, it is not you, it's not this community, it's the idea. That when you grow, the curiosity should also grow with you. So our goal with this brain prize of 1 lakh rupees is very simple. You have to ignite curiosity through fun content. Anybody can participate. You have to start a new YouTube channel. Play fun games and challenges with your friends and ignite curiosity in the viewer जो आपको देख रहा है. If you're doing it through long form videos, just reach 10,000 subscribers. If you're doing it through short form videos, then reach 100,000 subscribers. First team to win, to reach these milestones can just simply reach out to us, show us that this is our channel, this is what we have been doing in these many months we have reached here, and we will give you 1 lakh rupees directly. हमें दुनिया में सिर्फ अच्छे ब्रेनी कंटेंट का कुछ एक चैनल बनाओ. More details are available on aph.2/prize. Link description में भी है. Maybe members only multiverse में we will also chat more about it. तो दोस्तों को इकट्ठा करो, कुछ गेम्स खेलो, क्विजिंग करो, कुछ भी करो, like do anything.
So very nice.
Just ignite curiosity on YouTube. चले?
So since हम ये YouTube पे कर रहे थे, it's why prize.
Oh,
Why prize?
why prize?
Why prize? आना.
Why?
आप आना, हम बोलेंगे why prize.
Why prize?
Good for you, why prize?
Current scores are Nipun at 120, Swat at 5 points. But the game is not over yet. This is the last time I am hosting a alpha beta game ka episode. So I have come up with one more round, a bonus round.
Oh.
It's time to solve rapid fire 24 questions because X is 24th letter simply. First question will have 10 points, next 20, next 30 and so on till 240 points for the last question. Correct answer will give you those points, wrong answer will take them away. But there's a huge twist. You can steal your opponent's answer. If you do not know the answer, you can steal your opponent's answer. If you do not know, simply mark a cross or write cross on your board. Then you will get your opponent's score. If they're right, you also win points. If they're wrong, you also lose points. But if they spot that you are crossing them, they can double cross you to save their points and make you lose the points.
Oh.
Every answer has the letter X in it somewhere.
Oh.
Question 1 will come right away. Keep
Wow.
your pads ready, please.
Oh.
Okay.
Can we remove this?
No. A tangled path where letters dance out of place, challenging the mind to see through the chaos. What condition is this?
Spelling गलत चलेगी क्या?
ये स्पेलिंग देख मैंने मार्क कर रखी है, इसमें फिट होना चाहिए. हाँ.
तो कुछ बन गया है क्या? चलो.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Swat. Want to show?
Cross. No, I've written dyslexia.
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 Dyslexia. The answer is dyslexia. Great job. But this was just a trial question. This is a try ball. We are not playing this game right now.
Oh.
We will be playing this game in the multiverse.
चलो चलो
Shano, Shano. ऐसे स्टेप.
डांस हो गया?
तुम ही दोनों मैनिपुलेट खेलते रहते हो. आजा बहन, आजा.
एक बार जा.
कंट्रोल.
तुम मुझे देख रहे हो क्या?
इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हूँ मैं.
It's a separate video exclusively available for Brainier and Brainiest members right away on this channel. If you become a Brainier member right now, you can watch this episode and dozen more exclusive videos that we have released over past few months. It's time we take your leave from this universe and see you in the alternate ending. Super curious people, come along.
Oh, bye.
Bye.
Last alpha beta by
Last
Mono.
alpha beta by me.
XO.
एक second.
ले यार तू अच्छे से पी ले.
If you answer incorrectly,
Yeah.
you get half points.
Okay.
And if you answer correctly, she gets half points.
I don't get half point. I lose my half.
Sorry. While she is thinking,
She's thinking I am drinking. और ले
who will X will fall on whom? पूरी इंग्लिश सोच के किस पर गिरेगी कुल्हाड़ी? Bad as Ravi Kumar, smart as Nipun Jain.
50 point, 45 point, 50 points. 55 points.
Keeps your pad ready. Question number
Keeps
1.
your pads ready तो कुछ नहीं होता मोनू.
Keep your pads ready. Keep your pads ready. Okay. चल करते हैं.
अब तो हटा ले.
हाँ.
टू क्रैक. तो
Okay.
फिर अपना भी नदिया डूबे क्या? नदिया डूब नहीं. बोट डूबती है ना?
नदिया बोट में डूब.